الرحيم يا أيها الناس إنا خلقناكم من ذكر وأنثى وجعلناكم شعوبا وقبائل لتعارفوا إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم إن الله عليم خبير Surah number 49 Surah name Al-Hujurat verse number 13 part number 26. In this verse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded us, all human being, all mankind, addressed all mankind, Ya ayyuhan nas, O people, O mankind, O human being, Inna khalaqnakum min zakarin wa unsa. Indeed, I have created you from a male and a female. I have created you in the meeting of a male and female. وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلًا وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ, and I constituted you شُعُوبًا وَقَبَائِلًا, into families and into tribes. Why? Why I have constituted you? لِتَعَارَفُوا. Its answer, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has given by Himself. لِتَعَارَفُوا. That's why, hence you can recognize each other. That might you know each other, you cooperate with one another. Inna akramakum inda Allah yatqakum. Never forget that. Inna akramakum, indeed the most highest among you is who? The highest among you is who is the most virtuous, muttaqi, who has done a good deed, who maintains taqwa. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Who is the most virtuous among you? He is the most high ranked person in the sight of Allah, in the eye of Allah. Inna Allah alimun khabir. Don't forget that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is omniscient, almighty Lord, who is all watching, all hearing, all powerful, and He has command over everything. At last, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you strengthen us to do good works, good deeds, and to be a virtuous person, muttaqi person. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.